YouTube, this is KV with another installment of Pumping Up My Civic. So what we're going to do today is we're going to install some new dash lights into my dashboard. I've been getting quite tired of this whole ambient light that was going on, so I want to add a little bit more spice, a little bit more dynamic to my car, specifically in the dashboard area. It's only one of many other things that I'm also going to be upgrading, small little things step by step, and I hope that you are going to walk this journey with me in getting my car into a more old school with the new school feel to it. So this video will be doing a step-by-step guide as how to loosen up the dashboard, and then also installing the globes as well, and then also showing you just afterwards how it's going to look. So sit back and relax and enjoy this video that I'm going to be presenting to you as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps just to get this small little channel up to start. Let's get it started. Okay, so first thing that we are going to need, never mind that little hole, like I said, I'll tell that story some other day. But what we are going to need for today is a screwdriver, something that's fairly small with a screwdriver bit or tip. I'm gonna use this little one over here. You can see there's a Phillips or a star screwdriver bit on it. The second one I'm going to just use is a flat screwdriver, just a flat tip here. That is just to loosen up the panels. Luckily, I don't think I'll make any damages on the trimming of the car, but we'll see how it's going to go. And then just to handle the gloves when we take it out, we're going to need some pliers. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to unscrew the screws. You will see that there's actually two on top. Just here, as you see, there's the one screw over there, and then there's another screw over here. Luckily that's the only two that needs to come out just to get rid of the trim plate. So let's just get that going quickly. So you're gonna see I'm just going to open up this area and screw it out. Right over there. Okay, there you can see it's only these two screws that is needed. Okay, let's just quickly take out the centerpiece. To get that out, just going to use the flat, and the flat we're just going to lift it up here in the corner. As you can see here, just lift it, move it a bit forward, and then over here just lift it also by the other corner. Alright, so you can see that it's fairly loose now. So all that you need to do is you need to make sure that the steering is on its lowest point, so you know that it has a little lever to push it down. You see it to its lowest. You can leave it open there, and then just remove the trim plate. Carefully, there we go. Okay, pull it out from the top and the side. There we go. See, there is out. Okay, then what we're going to need next is again star screwdrivers. There's three here that you need to loosen. There's the one star over there, there's the other star Phillips over there, and there's the one there right on top. Let's just loosen those ones up. Let's loosen these ones up. Okay, and then the screw over there. Okay, and then the screw right here on top. I'll just screw that one at the end. So now that is now loose, you can see it can come out easily. So now on the Civic there's two little pins that you can see just here. There's a blue and there's a green. So these plugs are easy plug in, plug and play. So you just unclip it just here at the clip area and unclip it in this area as well, and you just take it out as easy as that. Alright, and there we have the clusters out. That's how it looks on this empty side. So you'll see here at the back there's 10, let's just count properly if I'm not mistaken, 10. Let's see, it's like little twist holders for the plugs. You see just here, just 10 little socket holders, I think. As 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So there's 10 here. And I see why the other one isn't lighting up. Okay. Alright, so this is one of the globes that we have for the clusters, or for the dash. So you'll see it's like a little holder, and then on the holder is the globe. So the globe is easy, just a matter of clipping it out. I hope you can see it, but this is the little globe, very small. As you can see, it's a slide in, and then this is how the socket actually looks like. Okay, so it just slides into that little socket hole right over there. Alright, so these are the lights that I'm going to replace it with. So replacing it with these little LED lights, I'm going two colors on it, white and red. So these are the red ones, and the white ones look similar. The only difference is that the white is the normal LED yellow that you'll see. This one has like a red foam on it, just to give it that red light effect. So how it normally works is you go in with the socket that you took out the globe, and it's a twist action. So you just place it into the socket, and then you twist, place it in till you feel it in its place, and then you just twist it. Okay, let's see if it's coming on. Yes, it is. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do for 10 of them. Unfortunately I only bought 6, so yeah, the other 4 I'm still going to get and replace the rest of them. So just as now 6 of them is installed in the dash light, and I'm just tighten it up and then show you how's it going to look afterwards. So the same way normally to put it in, the same way you put it in, just reverse when you put it back. So here there's some quite nice guidelines when you're placing or aligning your dash. So at the sockets there's actually just a little hole, a little thing sticking out, just for you to place the second piece in, for your dash to actually align properly. And then you're going to just place in the screws again, make sure that they're in nice and tightly for now, just in its place actually. And the third screw going up there. Okay. Okay, so the dash is on now. Let's quickly put on the drum cover. So I'm gonna place it in feet first, and then put it there. And it's angled there. Okay, going to take two screws, place it in it. Okay. Taking it up there, and this screw over here. And there we go. Lights have been installed. Let's have a look at it. Okay, so you won't really properly see now. Let me just quickly switch on here. Then you'll see that light, LED light, is actually looking quite dope. Alright, so it's a bit darker right now. Let's see how these lights are coming out. Let's switch it on and see. Right, so that's how it's currently shining now. Yeah, there's a few spots here and there. You can see there at the 120Ks. It's giving a bit of a light there. At some areas it's shining that yellow, which I guess I still need to fix as well. But if I switch on the normal lights, okay, there you can see how it's rocking up. So yeah, not bad as of yet. Still want to actually have that white light effect still going, but I'm digging out the fuel and the temperature gauge is now looking. I take that red and it do turn into 40, the red line and the start. So yeah, one thing that I still need to fix, like I say, I don't want this yellow over here, so I'll change that one to white. And the same as these ones here, I need to change, need to fix that 120k light over there, and let's see how that's gonna work out. Alright, so I managed to get all of the LED lights. I couldn't manage to get all of the white ones. I was only needing about 4 lights, but I managed to get some red ones as well. So I plan to actually rearrange the lights. You'll see that on the previous one, like the gauge where it shows the kilometers, those were shining kind of like a white bluish color. I've changed that up. Let's have a look how it looks now. As I switch it on, then you can see how those lights are looking. Then if I switch on like the normal lights now, that's how it's looking now there. And then you'll see that there's some, how can I say, intention behind all of this. This red line right on top of well, the red light at 5 and 6,000, and then there's red light on 120 and 140. The rest of the lights are blinking like that, as you can see here. And then if I switch on the indicators, it's now blinking orange because of the red LEDs. But I am digging it. Unique for me, just the way that I'm saying it. So yeah, this is how the lights have gone. Awesome. Alright, and there we go. We just installed the dashboard lights into my Civic. It's looking quite dope with this blue and red going on. I really hope that you have liked this video. If you do, don't forget to like and to subscribe. There's more videos up to come, especially me putting in some interior lights also around the car interiorly, which will also give a little bit more of that extra feel to it. So stay tuned. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Peace.